Well, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair. This is a real quick functionality pro video for a mainboard for Vizio M40, or no, this is M550NV. That was returned by a customer because it wasn't working. The reason it wasn't working is both fuses were blown. I don't think I have ever seen the 5-volt fuse blow up. I don't know what did you guys do to that board to make this fuse blow. This I have seen and explained in multiple videos, and it usually happens when this cable is inserted incorrectly and improperly. What did you have to do to make this fuse blow is beyond me. But both fuses are now replaced. Both were blown, and I did not bother removing the older ones, just soldered the new ones on top of them, because once the old ones are gone, they double anymore. You can see it working right now with the media player. So backlight's there, fuse is there, and there will be no further warranty for the same problem, because again, I don't know what you've done, whatever you did. No offense meant. Make sure that this is the last cable you insert to the board. Make sure this is properly and evenly inserted on both sides. So when I remove that, I actually remove the power cable first. I usually wait until on a first start the firmware inside is updating itself, so it continues to work for a while, and I don't want to stop it in the middle, even though there shouldn't be any risk of doing that. So the first thing that I remove is the power cable. I just make sure that I don't remove it when the board is still working. It's a bad practice, and it really doesn't matter. And when you want to plug it in, you want to plug this one. Again, make sure that it's properly and evenly. If it's an angle, it can easily short. When it shorts, this thing blows that fuse. This one, I do not know how could you, maybe the board was sitting on top of, maybe there were screws under, maybe it wasn't placed properly, but like sitting something like that, so it touched something on the back. This is probably, it's not the first, maybe the second time ever I have seen the main power fuse blown. So again, this is your board. Make sure it's working. It's going back to you. Thanks.